Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Envisions, and for today's video I will be teaching you how to create this simple yet aesthetic TV rack in Sketchup. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so once this Alright, so once this window will appear, you will choose a units that you will be using in this SketchUp. So there are inches, centimeters, and meters. But for me, I'm more comfortable in using meters when it comes to doing my design. So for this video, we'll be using the word meters. Okay, so now you open your SketchUp file. I will just delete this woman standing. Click that one and press delete. And then I will go to paint bucket tool. I will change the background color since I'm more comfortable of using this color. So going here in the styles, you will have edit. And after that, check the ground. So you can also customize the color by clicking this box here and then choosing any color in the color wheel, then clicking OK. In creating your TV rack, you can get ideas in the internet. You can get some designs and also inspirations of what a final design you will create in your TV rack. So for me, I have a reference with this one, and I will customize this according to my idea or to my design idea. Okay, so assuming that we have a wall, let's say is 2.8 meters or 2.7 meters, and then here is 2.5 meters, and then this one. Then let's have the thickness 0.1. So assuming that this is your wall where you will put your TV rack. So this is the standard when it comes to houses. These are usually the wall in the living room. Okay, so let's create first our design here for our TV rack. Okay, so first I will click a line using the line tool here in the toolbars, or you can just simply press L in your keyboard. And then from this point, I will click 0.35 meters. So 0.35, then enter. Then click that one. So find the green point that serves as your endpoint. To know that this is 0.35, just look at the lower right side. You can see here the length that serves as the measurement of your design, or your line rather. So now, locating the endpoint, I will just click this one. I will create a line across this point. Okay, after that one, I will again press L for the line, and then click from this endpoint. And then going upward, I will click 0.12, enter. And then I will click this endpoint and create a line across. Right. Then after that one, I will be again clicking a line. Then here is, let's have 0.05, enter. And then here, let's click that one and then create a line across this endpoint here. Okay, now after that one, let's have a push-pull. Let's push this one, and then let's say this is 0.3 meters. Enter. And then this one, let's create again 0.3 meters. Okay, so now, next step is I will just create a line here. So I will push this one with 0.5 meters. And then here, 0.5 meters. Okay, then after that one, I will be creating a line here, because my plan is to create shelves in this right side. Okay, so that one. Then I will just delete this one. Then after that, I will pull this one, pull with the same level of this one. Right. Okay, next is I will have, next part is I will have offset. Then the offset, then just press your offset here in the toolbars, or you can just press F in your keyboard. Then click that one, and I will have 0.04 meters, enter. And then next is I will push this one into this level. Right. So that one. Or let's have, next is I will push this one. Let's say 0.28, enter. And then I will just create a line here to identify that this is the rack. So this is the wall. Then I will erase these unnecessary lines. Next is I will also create a line here. Let's say this is 0.05. Enter. And then this one, I will click a line. Then I will push this one on the edge. Okay. And then let's push this a little. 0.05. Enter. That one. And then here again, I will again put 0.05. Enter. And then create a line. Then this one, let's connect this. Okay, this one. Then I will erase these lines here. Okay, then again I will put a line here to indicate the wall and the rack. Okay, so this part here. Okay, next is I will just create again another line here. This one and then this one. I will do offset using the toolbar here, offset, or you can just press F again in your keyboard. Then this one, let's say 0.02 only. Enter. And then after that one, next is I will divide this one to 3 equal parts. So click the line here and then use M, press M in your keyboard, and then click the endpoint. And then don't forget to hold Control or press Control so that it will be duplicated. Then going to the endpoint, click that one and then type 3 slash. So check in your lower right side the distance, 3 slash, and then press enter. So that is one. You have 3 equal parts. So for this one, I will just move this one to let's say here 0.01, and then here I will move this one. Okay, this one, and then next is I will duplicate this, and using move tool and then pressing Control, I will transfer it to this part. And after that, I will just delete the unnecessary lines. And then next, I will push this one going here. So let's say 0.28. Enter. Here, 0.28. Here, 0.28. Okay, so that's it. You now have you're almost done with your TV rack. So next step here is I will also create a wood planks here to add beauty in your design. So what I will do is I will just push this a little bit. Let's say 0.01. And then here as well, 0.01. And then, okay, that one. So there's an illusion that there is, this one here is a drawer or something, a flip or an opening. Okay, then let's delete these lines here. Right. So that's it. Next is let's create also the shelves for this part. So my technique here is I will just create a line here. Say, okay, then after that I will click this one and then I will move it out. So by pressing M, then after that go to endpoint, click that one, and then the technique is press your Control in your keyboard so that it will be detached. Then click that one, and then I will use push pull command, and then I will align this one to this endpoint. Click that one. Then after that, I will just select this everything, and then right click and click make group. Then after that one, I will press M, and then I will go here. Okay, then make sure decide on how many shelves you want this part here. So let's say is I want to have 4 of them. So what I will do is like what I did for these 3 equal parts. So press M in your keyboard. Then after that one, click this point here, and then use press Control. Then after that one, go to this part here. Okay, click this one and type 4 slash enter. Okay, right. So that's it. Then you can just delete this part here. Then also with this one. Okay, so now you have your shelves as well. Now, after that, I will just create a wood planks here to add beauty to your TV rack. So what I will do is I will just click here. From this line, I will just say, let's say 0.05. Enter. Then click that one. Then after that, I will just move this one. Click this part and then press M. Move it out. So click the endpoint and then move this out. The technique is again pressing Control. Then after that one, click. And then this one, create the thickness. Let's say the thickness is around 0.025. 0.025. Enter. Then after that one, I will select everything and then right click and then choose make group. Then I will press M for move, and then I will return this one here. So the purpose of that is I can just easily duplicate this one. So again, by clicking again your move this one and then press Control to duplicate, and then let's say put here put in the endpoint. Okay, that one. And then just create a space. So say for example around maybe 0.01 will do. Okay, or add a little bit, maybe 0.02. Okay, so that one. And after that one, I will just click this endpoint here and press Control. Okay, so that it will be duplicated. Right. Okay, so that one. So decide on how many wood planks that you would like to put. So for me, maybe I will just put a little bit more. Say here. Okay, maybe that one. Or maybe that's too much. Maybe let's reduce it. Okay, so that one. Okay, so this one will do. So I think I'm okay with this one. Okay, so after this one, let's apply materials to add beauty to our design. So if you want to learn more in importing materials in SketchUp, I have a separate video for that one. This is a tutorial on how to import different materials in SketchUp. You can also have online materials available, and you can add it to this file. So just watch this video for more ideas. So for this one, I already prepared some materials that I will use. And also have the paint bucket tool. So just press Control and press the paint bucket here in the toolbars. Then you can have here different colors, patterns, and also textures. But I suggest that you will watch my YouTube tutorial about that one, so that you can have some online references. Okay, then here. Okay, so for this one, I will just retain the color white. Then next is let's also add some beauty by putting on some decorations, especially the TV. That's why it's called the TV rack. So what you will do is you will import materials in the 3D warehouse. I also have separate YouTube tutorial about that one, how to import different models in SketchUp using the 3D warehouse. So please watch that one to have an idea. And this is now your final output for your TV rack. So I hope you learned a lot with this tutorial. And then for more videos, and also you want to add more design like putting some pictures here in your TV, you can also check my other tutorials here in my YouTube channel. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you and see you in my next video.